Hi guys, this is Adrian, and I'm going to show you how you can send testnet ZILs to Moonlet wallet by using Nucleus wallet. So in order to access Nucleus wallet, you have the URL on our blog post or just type it on your browser, then click create new wallet. On this page, just type a passphrase and confirm. Generate a keystore file. This is going to be downloaded automatically on your computer. I'm not going to use anymore this wallet, so you can do whatever you want with this address. I'm going to copy the private key and then go to ZIL Faucet. Once here, I need to access the private key menu, paste the private key, and access the wallet. I'm going to confirm that I'm not a robot. And the Faucet runs automatically, and you should have your ZILs in a few seconds. I should be able to see here 300 ZILs. I'm going to hit refresh. Bear with me, please. Okay, I got them. Now I have 300 ZILs on my Nucleus wallet, and I need to send them to my Moonlet wallet. For that, I need to access the Send ZIL menu from Nucleus wallet, open Moonlet wallet. I hope you followed all the steps here and you are already connected to the testnet networks, since you need to send testnet ZILs. So just access the ZIL card, copy to clipboard the ZIL address, and then paste it on your Nucleus wallet. And just add here the full amount. So a small amount is going to be deducted for as a gas price. And I'm going now to send them to my Moonlet wallet. And one more confirmation here, and that should be it. All right, so currently I have 156.61 Zillings. I should be able to see 700 very, very soon. Okay, a few more seconds. Yeah, I got them. So now I have enough ZILs on my Moonlet wallet to start to test this. So just access the wallet, access the send page, and yeah, feel free to test our Moonlet wallet. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy it.